Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing for the very first time 3 brand new holiday warmers. I'm really excited for this. This was actually going to be a part of a haul that I believe is going to go up tomorrow, but I felt like these pieces were special enough and deserving enough of their very own video. Also with the hopes of not having a crazy long haul video for you to watch because there's plenty of goodies to talk about in the haul video. So let's go ahead and dive right in. And while I am recording this right now, all 3 of these warmers are still currently available, which actually surprises me about, well, actually all 3 of these. I thought all 3 of these would go pretty fast, but all 3 of these are still currently available. So that just means Scentsy prepared well, because I know several of you guys have picked up 1, 2, or 3 of these warmers as well. So Scentsy definitely brought it this holiday season, and I am here for it, let me tell you. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Like I said, this is an unboxing, so I am checking this out for the very first time right along with you guys. So we will dive right in. We have 2 mini warmers and 1 full-size warmer. So the first warmer we are going to check out is the Crystal Christmas warmer. And once again, this is a mini. And this is a mini glass warmer. So with all of our mini warmers, you will always get your plug-in base here. So this just looks like a little like nightlight type base. All of our glass warmers will have this kind of base where the warmer itself will screw into the base. Our ceramic warmers will actually, there's little notches that you can put the warmer onto the base and it'll kind of secure and attach rather than like actually like screw on. These glass warmers have this like threading. I don't know if you can see that. Has this like threading on the base of the warmer itself. Anyways, oh, this is so pretty. So this is the Crystal Christmas warmer. I knew as soon as I saw this one and the full size, I was like, oh yeah, I need this in my life. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is like, so there's like a color shift here. So it starts off on the top, this really pretty blue, almost kind of purple. And then it fades down into a really pretty like metallic silver. Really pretty. I love this. Okay, I did bring my tabletop base. I was thinking today. So, I can actually show you what it looks like when it's turned on. So, and all of our mini warmers do take a 15-watt light bulb, and it does come with your light bulb as well. So let's go ahead and check this out, what it looks like when it's turned on. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh yeah, this is definitely prettier, even prettier in person than I was expecting. I knew this was going to be pretty. It's not like I thought this was going to be a hideous warmer, otherwise I wouldn't have ordered it, but this is so pretty. This, and I don't know if my camera is going to do this any kind of justice, this is so beautiful. And what I love about, honestly, all 3 of these pieces, well, at least 2. This one and the full size, you can totally leave up all winter long. It's not necessarily like holiday specific, which I'm a big fan of, so I love that. Okay, now let's check out the other mini warmer. And this is available for $20. I actually thought this one was gonna sell out super fast, and I thought this full-size one was gonna sell out super fast. I am gonna put this back in the box just because I know a lot of you have your holiday stuff out, and I had full intention of having my holiday stuff up by Thanksgiving and it's just it's not gonna happen, so it'll be next weekend when I put my stuff up. So that's when my holiday warmers will come out to play. Leave in the comments below, do you have your holiday stuff out? Am I the last person on earth? Actually, one of my girlfriends I was delivering an order to over the weekend, she said that she still has like her Halloween stuff and fall stuff out. I'm so glad to know I'm not the last one. The next mini warmer we are going to talk about is To All a Good Night. And this is another mini. This is a glass. Now this is the one that I was saying, it might be a little bit holiday specific, but you can leave it out as long as you want to. There are no rules, right? So this one, ooh, this is really pretty. This is why I love doing these unboxings with you guys, because I feel like it's almost kind of like you're experiencing this live in person with me, because the edited pictures are really great that Scentsy gives us, but there's just nothing like actually seeing it in person. So this is To All a Good Night, and this is a really pretty blue mini warmer, and you can see you have Santa and his sleigh and all of his reindeer here. And what I love is that you have these, are these silver? You have these like silver speckles on this that provide a little bit of glitter, a little bit of shine. Looks like snowfall. So pretty. And this is one I was just kind of like, okay, that's cute. I really like this. I really, really like this. Okay, shall we see what it looks like turned on? By the way, when you are putting your glass warmer together, if there is like an actual like front side of your warmer, there is this little, let me show you. You have this little rubber washer that comes with your warmer. Put that underneath in the base, underneath where the warmer actually goes, and then it should stop right where it's supposed to. If it still doesn't, just stop turning it. Stop turning it. It may be a little bit loose, but it's not going to go anywhere because it's threaded. So there's a little tip for you. Oh yes, I do like this. Check it out. So pretty. Scentsy does such an amazing job on the details of these warmers. I love it. And this is hand-blown glass. It's so, so pretty. Okay, so this one is still currently available for $20 as well. Okay, and now my favorite warmer. Oh, I am dying. I am dying just a little bit. I'm telling you, I thought this one was gonna sell out like crazy fast, but it's still available. So way to go, Scentsy. Even the the annual holiday limited edition warmer, the holiday hearth, however you want to pronounce it, even that's still available. I thought that one was going to sell out super fast too. Okay, without further ado, let me unplug this little guy here. We have Deck the Halls. This warmer, you guys, when I saw this, I was like, shut your mouth. I need this. I love mason jar. I love the mason jar look. I love it. I love our Chasing Fireflies mini and full-size warmer. I also have the blue mason jar snowflake warmer. That was a warmer of the month a few years ago. I love the look, and this is going to complete my collection until they come out with another mason jar thing. So this just looks so pretty. So this is gonna go perfect in my kitchen. I'm going to have my snowflake mason jar. I can't remember. I want to say it was Silver Frost, I want to say is what the name of the warmer was. So I'm gonna have that one. It's the blue mason jar with the snowflakes on it. I'm gonna have it on one side of my counter in my kitchen, and then this one's gonna be on the other side of my counter. It's gonna go perfect. And I even grabbed a couple of extra bulbs over here because we're gonna play around with the colored bulbs with this one. Because this is a 25-watt warmer, which means you can play around with the 25-watt colored bulbs. And also don't forget, if you like the look change up, if you will, of the colored bulbs, we also have the mini warmer bulbs now too, the 15 watts. So if you wanna play around with your mini warmers in the different colors, you can totally do that. Yay, it's so pretty. I love it. Oh, so it says "'Tis the Season" on it, and you have these little, you have a little pine cone and you have some holly berries. Oh, it's so cute. It's super, super cute. Oh yes, mama likes. And what I do love about what Scentsy has done with these mason jar warmers that's different from the Chasing Fireflies, so I love that it's like this is all one piece rather than having the light on the base. It's fine. I still love my Chasing Fireflies full-size warmer, but I prefer when it's like this rather than having the base, have the warmer sit on top of the base. That's what I'm trying to say. So first we're going to check this out with the clear bulb. So this is the bulb that's going to come with the warmer. And like I said, this is 25 watts. I should probably get my dish. So you have your clear dish here. You've got a little number 4 on the bottom. If you're newer to Scentsy, you will find that a lot of our warmers do have a little number on the bottom. That's just letting you know how many cubes not to go over. I personally just tend to do 2 cubes in all my warmers no matter what. Usually with with the mini warmers, I do 1 cube. Full size, I do 2. If you find that you have better scent throw with more cubes, just don't go over 4 cubes with this one. But this has a nice silver lining on the sides here to match with the top. So that is just gonna go right on top here. All right, shall we check her out? Let's check her out. See if my camera will focus. There we go. I love this. This is gonna go so well in my kitchen. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. And you have this kind of, it's a nice like frosted glass. So it's not, I mean, it's bright, but it's not that like clear glass brightness. It's a nice soft glow in my opinion. And it says 'tis the season on the front. I love it. Okay. Do I have my bulbs? I have my bulbs. I grabbed a red bulb and I grabbed a green bulb as well. So we will check those out because why not? Okay, so first we'll do the green bulb. I love how this just like changes up the way this looks. Super fun. I love it. I love the green. Oh, that's so, so fun. Love it. Also, you have your little mason jar handle here. Super fun. All right, now we have to check out the red for sure. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm thinking, I don't know. I may stick with the clear, but something tells me I may want to play around with the red bulb on this one. Give me your thoughts. Okay, here's the red bulb. Oops. I do like the red. I do like the red. That's super, super fun. I feel like it kind of brings out the holly berries. Pink. Super, super fun. So this one is still currently available as well. If you want the colored bulbs in addition to your warmer, the colored bulbs are $2 each, but it will come with a clear bulb. So you don't have to worry about, if you want to purchase some extras, you totally can. But this one is still currently available for $50 US. I honestly thought that this one was going to sell out super fast, but it didn't. It's still available. So Scentsy was on the ball with this one because I think this is a really popular one. So I wouldn't be surprised if it does sell out sooner rather than later, but I'm glad I was able to get my warmers in to share them with you so that if you were on the fence about something, maybe this will just kind of give you the push that you need. So I love this. This may need to go up like now. I don't want to box this one back up. I I love it so much. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Like I said, I felt like these warmers deserved their very own video, and that way it'll kind of keep the haul a little less than like an hour. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.